All right, so now that we know that the screen um, had some good overperformance, shortly, before, you can see that the screen was usually doing about what the market did, maybe a little more. Um, or if the market sold off, it didn't sell off as much, but occasionally, yeah, it does sell off more than the market or go up by less than the market. However, what I want to focus on is when the market went up, and you know everything that went up was not in the screen. So the screen adjusted, and then it didn't readjust, and then here it did, and here now it started beating the market again. So it's constantly keeping up with the market, but this big fast recovery it didn't anticipate.